Are you sick of dragging your hose all over the garden and having it decimate your freshly planted beds or taking out some of your flowers? Have you tried those dinky little plastic ones that rotate and been left less than impressed? Well, here's a hose guide for you. The first and most obvious is strategically placed pots. If you're lucky enough to have a spot where you can put a large pot next to a path, bam, problem solved. Just make sure to work the pots into the landscape, not just a random pot here and there. Make groups and layer it throughout the garden. These pots don't just have plants in them. I also have my mini frog water habitats pots for this very reason. I'm Gardener Coo, that was Nacho, and let's get to number 2. Solar lighting. Yes, I know. Most of these lights are cheap, but that really works in your favor, and they just basically disappear into the landscape. So solar lighting usually comes with a hollow stem and a plastic attachment that then goes into the ground. Instead of using that, I use a 2-foot piece of rebar that I pound into the appropriate height. And then the light it's not going to go anywhere. So if you've been finding this helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any fun hose ideas. So for the last one, it's very unexpected. So I got this one from my friend Val. She gave me a dog chain holder, thinking we could repurpose it for something else. Well, anyways, I really couldn't think of anything, and it just kind of sat there for a while until hubby Clicky came up with a brilliant brainwave hose guide. So it's designed to be pounded into the ground, making it very secure and strong. And the best part is this little hat. Sometimes on pots the hose will, ride up, but this keeps the hose secure and lets it rotate around easily. I love these things. I think I'm up to 5. They come in multiple colors, so you can find something that blends in with your plants, or you can just get your favorite color like I did. I hope we have solved this vexing issue for you. It certainly annoyed me at a low level for years. I'm Gardener Coo, that's Nacho. Go get your hands dirty.